Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you fix for the problem, which is that when you click on the ARM form record button in DaVinci Resolve, but it does not work. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Shazam Athanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that I'm clicking on the ARM for record button, but it's not working. You can see at the top left corner of your computer DaVinci Resolve text. You have to click on it and then you have to click on Preferences. Then you have to click on User. Then you have to click on Font Night, and then you can see here this text which is Enable Auto Patching. You can see that this is the checkbox for it. You have to simply check this checkbox and then you have to click on the Save button. Now viewers, if I click on the ARM for record button, you can see now it's working. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get a notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.